In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create template in Adobe Sign. By the end, you'll have a reusable template set up so you can standardize your documents and save time every time you need a signature. First, head to the Adobe Sign website and log into your account using your credentials. Enter your username and password carefully, and if you run into any issues, double-check that your login details are correct and your internet connection is stable. Using a current, supported browser helps avoid glitches. Keep in mind that creating templates requires an active subscription. If you don't see the template option, your plan might not include it, or the feature may need to be enabled for your account. From the dashboard, select Create an e-sign template. You can also find this under All Tools. This opens the template builder area where you'll set everything up. Start by giving your template a clear descriptive name. Choose something meaningful that you'll recognize later, such as the document type and purpose. Adding details like a version or date can make it easier to manage updates over time. Next, add your document. You can drag and drop the file into the upload area, or click Add Files to browse your computer or connect to cloud services like Document Cloud, Creative Cloud, Box Dropbox, or Google Drive. Use the finalized version of the document you plan to send repeatedly, so you won't need to redesign fields later. Once your file is selected, click Attach to link it to the template. You should see the file name or a thumbnail appear, confirming that the document is successfully connected and ready for field placement. Now, preview and add fields. This opens the authoring screen where you can place signature, text, date, and checkbox fields exactly where they belong. Drag each field onto the page. Align it with the on-face screen guides and adjust properties, like making a field required or setting character limits. If multiple people will sign, assign fields to the correct signer, so the right person completes the right section. Zoom in to fine-tune placement and keep essential elements like signature and date fields clearly visible and unmissable. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your template is now reusable, so the next time you need this document signed, you can start from this template and skip adding fields. If you ever need to update it, open the template, make your changes, and save again to keep it current. That's the process. Thanks for watching.